Welcome back, first timers. But if this is your first time here, I'm David, and this is Terry.
And we're the first timers. We're trying things for the first time so you don't have to. In our last episode, we traveled to Pensacola to see an Ice Flyers hockey game.
In this episode, we want to take some time to thank our tens of subscribers and dozens of viewers and really honor a lot of the folks that were military, are currently military, or have family members that are serving in the military. With it being so close to Valentine's Day, I decided to cook a meal for Terry. She's going to get the opportunity to try military MREs for the first time.
Yay!
So Terry, do you think you're ready to eat MREs?
So a fun fact about me, I'm a super picky eater. I don't like to try new things, though the last couple of years with this guy, he kind of has broadened my horizons a little bit.
So some of you might be wondering, what are MREs? And they are meals ready to eat. And what they are prepackaged meal rations for military members. They come in a number of different menu options. Each one of these contains about 1,200 calories, and 3 of them make up a full day's ration.
Good thing I'm only trying them, not eating the whole thing.
So while I served in the military, I was in the Air Force, so I didn't have to eat these that often, but I did get to eat them on a couple different occasions. And I'll tell you, for me, I actually enjoyed them. I know to those that have to eat them and it's their only source of meals, sometimes it can get boring and bland, so I do appreciate their sacrifice.
So I'm a little bit nervous about trying these. I know that they're not gourmet meals. They're made to serve a purpose, and that purpose is for nutrition for when there's no other food option available. If you've ever talked to anybody that has eaten these, they definitely will tell you right away their favorite flavor and their most hated flavor. And they also have plenty of tips on how to make them taste better with the limited resources available.
Well, my favorite flavor, hands down, was chicken pesto pasta. By far the best. I tried to find that one for today. We couldn't find it. Least favorite, by far, was the veggie omelet, and we couldn't find that one either. I think that one's discontinued, so...
As it should be.
So which ones are we going to look at today?
Well, we have your second favorite, chili mac.
That's a good one.
Beef goulash.
Okay, I haven't had that one, but it sounded good.
And Southwest beef and black beans.
All right, so let's dive right in.
Let's dig in.
So I have the beef goulash.
And I have the Southwest beef and black beans. I don't know why that's so hard to say. So you're supposed to just pull them apart. So I'm just...
There we go.
Oh,
Still got it.
professional.
All right, let's see what we got. Each component of the meal comes packaged and sealed like this. So this one is the beef goulash, strawberry jam, patriotic sugar cookies. I'm gonna actually just start that right now. Oh yeah, I feel very patriotic. We can just stop now, actually.
I'm gonna wait for the taste test.
Oh. Chunky peanut butter.
Ooh.
Not to be confused with plain. Look at this massive pack of applesauce. That's pretty awesome. And then we've got tropical punch. And then with these, it's a pouch so you can just add the liquid right to this. Ooh, bread mini loaf. Sliced whole wheat. Each one of these meals come with a flameless eating package. So you put the food in here, add the water, follow the instructions, don't burn yourself, and it says to lean it up against a rock or something. So you have options. It's either a rock or
something.
Anything else you want to use, and then it'll heat itself up in this pack. And then you get a spoon, and then your little packet of napkins, wipes, bubble gum. It's probably not bubble gum. I mean, it's gum. Salt, pepper.
Is this where your love of bubble gum started?
No. All right, let's see what's in yours.
Ooh, I have applesauce pound cake.
Oh my.
You know, I'm getting a little bit more excited about this as we open them up.
So trading is a real thing. So you want to trade the good stuff for the bad stuff, but maybe that applesauce pound cake with the applesauce, we can be friends.
Yeah. I have cheese spread.
Okay.
A teriyaki beef stick.
Wow.
They actually sound pretty okay.
Yeah.
Oh, cherry blueberry cobbler.
Oh, that's mine actually.
Just wait. Just
Okay,
wait your turn.
okay.
And then tortillas.
Is that chips?
It looks like. Oh, chips and dip. It looks like. Maybe.
We will see.
And then my main course is in here, and my heating contraption.
This is like Christmas.
Each ration comes with a whole slew of things to eat. So hopefully there's something in there that you like, or that you can trade.
The
All right,
fun doesn't stop here. No, the fun doesn't stop.
It's in the third one.
We're jumping into the third one right now. This is the one that I think is going to be the best. It's always been a top contender, top 2 of everybody's favorite. So we got vegetable crackers.
Did you say what it was?
Yeah.
Chili mac?
Chili mac. If I didn't, I'm saying it now. You get your heating element, spoon for all that digging. Carbohydrate, electrolyte beverage powder. And it's grape flavored.
Ooh.
I'm not here for that. This is just, ooh, teriyaki beef stick. This is the jalapeno cheese spread. It's superior to the regular cheese spread. Dang, they're going fancy.
Heck yeah.
Twizzlers. I never remember being any type of candy, but this one comes with Tabasco sauce, lemon poppy seed pound cake.
Oh, my favorite.
That one's an all-time favorite too.
I mean, I haven't had an MRE style, but.
And then chili mac. We're gonna just get these cooking, plate them up, and we're gonna try them all.
All right, we'll see you in a few minutes.
Terry, look who joined the party.
Gonna start with the Southwest. You ready for this?
Go, yeah. Do it.
Ooh, I bet that cheese spread would be good on here. Here we go. Okay. It's actually really good.
Yeah?
I would totally eat this.
Yeah?
It's a little spicy.
I'm gonna just dig
Actually,
right
it's
in.
a lot spicy. The tortilla is really nice. It's got some like sweet flavor to it. My mouth is on fire right now, though. I think from the meat concoction. It might be the tortilla, but my mouth is on fire.
I'm not hitting any heat. The meat's not bad.
Actually, I'm gonna take another bite.
It's well seasoned. The beef's actually pretty tender, but not mushy. The corn held up really well. The beans still have a bite. The sauce is thick and rich.
It is spicy. I'm not one for spicy food, but I think I would be really into this if I got this.
Let me eat the tortilla by itself.
It's really good. I kind of want to just finish it.
Yeah, the tortilla adds like a nice sweetness to it. I thought it'd be, oh, it's a tortilla that's hot. Oh my. Oh, wow.
Here, take a bite.
I'm going to jump right into the...
oh, that's the coffee.
Oh, that's horrible coffee, but that has some...
Here.
No, I'm good.
Okay.
That has some heat. These tortillas...
They're really good.
They're deceiving. If you have to get into a fight with an enemy and all you have is one of these tortillas, just rub it in their eyes. I got to cool my mouth off with this meat.
Start trying some of the dessert now. This is the apple pound cake. Okay.
This reminds me of like a holiday pumpkin muffin, but it almost has like an eggnog flavor in the back.
I think it's nutmeg. There's actual like apple chunks in there. Like
it's like a muffin top.
I was just gonna say that. And it's kind of shaped like that. If you're a Seinfeld fan.
I'm too young for Seinfeld.
Oh, okay.
Let's try this cobbler.
Blueberry berry cobbler.
Ooh.
Oh no.
No, trade that. I love blueberries. Trade that for more pound cake.
It's not horrible.
Oh.
But it has a hint of like cough syrup flavor.
It tastes like if you threw up cough syrup.
It kind of looks like you threw up cough syrup.
That's not a winner.
I'm not mad at it.
No, hard pass. We have to try this cheese because we're gonna have to compare the regular cheese and the jalapeno cheese.
Oh, okay. Well, it looks like a thicker version of like Velveeta cheese that you would get in the Velveeta mac and cheese box.
Yes, it is all that.
And it tastes just like handy snacks.
That's what I was gonna say. It's handy
little-
snack cheese. Oh, we got teriyaki beef stick. That was her nickname in high school.
It was not.
That was my nickname in high school. It was not. Oh.
I have a feeling I'm not gonna like this.
Oh. Oh, that's harsh.
No.
It tastes like they...
No, 100% do not eat this. Don't put it in your mouth. Don't put it in somebody else's mouth. Throw it away.
Overall impressions of the Southwest beef and black bean.
It's really good. If you have the choice of entrees, I would pick that one.
The actual main dish, it's an absolute banger.
A lot of flavor.
Cornucopia of flavors in your mouth.
It's spicy.
It's exciting. It's exhilarating. Blueberry cobbler, no way.
It's okay.
Teriyaki beef stick,
No way. Don't do it.
apple loaf, all day. Cheese, in moderation. Coffee, throw it away. Now we're moving on. This one is beef goulash. I'm excited about this one. First, patriotic sugar cookie.
like the Statue of Liberty
Simpson character.
hat, a star.
Those cookies hit.
That's a shortbread cookie for sure. And they're really good.
Yeah.
Don't share these with anybody.
Those are really good. You have this bread loaf situation here. Oh, it's super crumbly. Okay.
I'm not sure that you peel it apart. It's together
No.
forever.
Yeah, right.
Oh, there you go.
Boom. Professional. You got the chunky peanut butter.
And the strawberry jam.
Right now we have our peanut butter jelly sandwich from the beef goulash meal. Go ahead, you go first.
I'm going to actually
No.
start with the goulash.
What? You
Yeah.
start with the main course?
Yeah.
That's weird. Well, I'll start with the applesauce while she jumps right into the real thing. Ooh. Okay.
You get an appropriate bite here with all of the flavors. Looks like it's got rice, carrots, beef, a tomato sauce, maybe tomatoes. Okay. It's kind of bitter, and it's got like a flavor I can't put my finger on. It's kind of earthy,
It's
like dirt or leather.
it's smoke.
Oh, fake smoke. Okay.
Yeah, it's liquid smoke.
Not a fan.
Definitely bitter. This is one that if your flavor profile of choice is more of a sweet creamy, this is more of a bitter spiky type flavor.
The beef in this one is not nearly as good as the Southwest. It's kind of stringy.
It's a little gamey
Yeah.
and it doesn't have enough seasoning or salt.
Could
or
use some
seasoning.
pepper. I noticed that the little packet that they give you doesn't come with pepper. It comes with salt.
Try the applesauce.
There's a lot in the package. I mean, it tastes like really good quality applesauce.
What?
Sugary.
I had the absolute opposite reaction.
Really? It's sugary. It's applesaucey. It's a saucy lass.
Oh, it's too wet. The sweetness level is 12 out of 10. Actually, if you just mix a little of the applesauce in with the goulash, it offsets that bitter flavor. And it actually helps it a little bit. It gives it a little bit of that sweetness that you're looking for.
Let's try this peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Yeah.
You can definitely tell it's wheat as soon as you bite into it. It tastes really good at first. When you go to swallow, the bread gets a little, almost like a pasty, like the dough isn't quite finished cooking.
It's like the bread doesn't want to go down your throat and it's hanging on to the edges while you try and swallow.
Yeah.
You have to fight this one down a little bit.
You do. It'd be a good time to bring in that drink that they provided. Is it fruit punch?
That one's tropical fruit punch.
It smells like Kool-Aid. So the drink isn't bad. It tastes like watered down red Gatorade.
All right, final round. We've already had the beef teriyaki stick. Twizzler nibs. Do we even need to try it?
Yeah, it's a nib. Have you ever tried a nib? A Twizzler nib?
No.
Okay.
All right, go ahead. Start digging in. Let me prep the nibs.
What do you want to start with? The cracker?
I'm starting with the nib.
All right.
Nib cheers. Dry,
Very chewy.
dense.
Kind of like these were the leftover Twizzlers at the factory, and they were like, we need to do something with these.
Make
We want to
nibs.
do something really nice. Let's put them in the MREs. Could really use a little hit of sugar right now.
Little sugary pocket treat. I think we've him and hawed enough. Let's just jump into the beefy mac.
It smells just like you would think. Pasty, tomato sauce like, chili like. Okay, first impressions. When it first hits your tongue, it tastes really good. You're like, oh yeah, it's gonna be great. The pasta held up really nice. It's not mushy at all, has a bite to it. As you keep working it, it has a bitter flavor like the previous dish. And as you swallow, you get a kick of heat. Not a lot, not like the Southwest one, but just enough so you know that you're eating chili.
It's not as good as I remember it. The meat is kind of
Crumbly? Is that
crumbly.
crumbly?
I don't really know if I can even keep talking because this is like watching your dad get beat up. I mean, for years, this was number 2 behind chicken pesto pasta. Right now, it's just sad.
Even your face is sad as you're eating it. I can see it in your eyes.
Yeah,
Are you gonna cry?
I might.
Wow.
Yeah. I'm jumping into the jalapeno cheese spread.
You know it's jalapeno, right?
Yeah. I'll wipe my tears on this dry cracker. This is a veggie cracker?
This is a veggie cracker?
Mm-hmm. And jalapeno cheese spread.
Okay.
It's got some heat. That cracker's dense.
It tastes, not mad at the cheese. It kind of tastes like movie theater nacho cheese. Ooh. It is spicy. When you swallow it, it gets you in the throat, right in the back of the throat.
Let's jump into the lemon poppy seed
Pound cake.
loaf. It's a little bit crumbly,
Yeah.
a little drier than I think the apple was. Oh, it's a clinger.
It is. Coats your mouth. Mouth coaty.
It does have like a sweet crunch to the top, almost like a sugary glaze.
The lemon flavor is there. It tastes a little artificial.
Well, to wash that down, let's jump into the grape flavored drink.
It smells like melted grape popsicle. It tastes like watered down melted grape popsicle. Do these have electrolytes? Is it? It is.
It's got what plants crave.
Rondo. Comment down below if you know the reference.
So Terry, why don't you give us a recap of what you think about the MREs?
They definitely were not as bad as I was fearing they were going to be. There are definitely a lot of redeeming qualities. The cookies were great. Most of the dessert type options were pretty good. If I had to pick my favorite, number 3 would probably be the goulash. As a whole, that meal wasn't great. The best part of that meal was the cookies. Number 2 would be the beefy chili mac. It didn't taste great, but I like pasta. Had a good texture. And then obviously my favorite is going to be the Southwest one. The whole meal together was delicious. I would eat that. Even if I had other options, I would eat that. So I think maybe we could do a whole series on Terry Tries. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below letting us know what you'd like to see us try for the first time.
First timers.
High five.